Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I'm gonna show you how to use name manager in Microsoft Excel to make the formula easier to understand and apply. Let me show you with an example. Over here you can see I have some data, some product items over here, and next to it we have their prices. Now this final price comes out to be this 800 plus 10% tax applied. So normally what would you do? You will write simply is equal 800 plus bracket start again 800 multiplied with this 10% bracket close. Press enter and there you go. This is the final price, and this is how you normally use Microsoft Excel to calculate the final price including the tax rate. Now if you double click, you can see over here E10 actually refers to tax rate. But if it is a large data sheet, it won't be easier to know what actually E10 represents. This is where we actually use name manager. Let me show you. In order to do this, you can simply select the tax rate, go to name manager, click on new, and right over here you can see it has given it the name tax rate, automatically picking it right from here, and it has also inserted the reference right into this refers to area as well. Now simply click on OK, again close. Let me demonstrate it now. I will simply go over here, click on is equal 800 plus, again I will select this tab, that is the price of the laptop, multiplied with, and this time you can simply go right over here using formula and click on tax rate, press enter, and there you go. Now it's easier to understand what actually this tax rate refers to in the formula. In order to apply it to the rest of the cell, simply click right over here and there you go. Let me give you one more example. Let's find out the percentage of each subject. For that, let's create this. For that, let's define the name. So I'll select this total, go to define name, and simply click on OK. Similarly, I'll click on 100, go to define name, click right over here, percent, click on OK, and there you go. And let me come right over here. I will write is equal 85 divided by, yes, total. So I will simply come over here, divided by total and multiplied with. So I will insert asterisk, go over here and click on percent, press enter, and there you go. So let me click right over here, and that's it. So this is how you can actually use this name manager. Notice how the formula is much easier to read because we use a meaningful name instead of a cell reference. That's the basic idea of using name manager in Excel. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.